What's up, you all? Hey, so you guys, hi, how you guys doing? It's been a while. Thank you, my love. So you guys, there's a lot of things to cook. Let me quickly show you guys what 20k can buy in the market right now, at least Abuja market. You go to the market with 20,000, this is what you can get. It's crazy, you guys, it's crazy. But the grace of God is sufficient for us. I want to cook banga stew and rice with catfish. But let me show you guys what I got. Sweet basket of sweet potato, 1k. Okay. Half Irish potato, 17. This one 500. 500 tatash. In fact, let me just open it, you guys. You guys, see Uba. I want to make local sauce, so I had to get Uba. And this is catfish banga, because I'm going to make banga stew. Okra, sweet potato, Irish potato.
My mirror lies to me, says I ain't supposed to be the kind of woman that I am. Feel so invisible, standing here miserable. Why don't you hold my hand? What would it take to see a life that ain't make believe?
You guys, how do you buy meat in the market? I don't buy. Let's say I want to buy 5k meat. I'm not talking to you. Stop that. I won't buy from the same person now. I will split into two. Go to one side, buy from one side half, buy from another person half. Because if you buy bulk, can I talk? If you buy from just one vendor, the likelihood that they want to cheat you is very, very high. So I've made that mistake before. I don't have to make that mistake anymore.
Mistake, mommy. Mistake. You said the right one. Mistake.
They take to say a life that ain't make believe. All truth, no lie. Haven't got no peace of mind. We never thought we'd be living so differently. No lie. Made up my mind, I have had enough. Oh, Mr. January, will you arrive wearing your Sunday best? And when we finally meet, I hope you'll be better than all the rest.
Bring the fish. You never die finish. Oh, give me.
Why are you laughing?
Hammer. You guys, this fish is not fully dead. I don't used to like all this type of things. Maybe I leave this place. This thing.
Mommy, not dead. It's biting it.
to bite you.
It's biting the cane.
Thank you. So we finished washing our fish.
It's watching what?
So you guys, normally you're supposed to use mortar to do this thing, but I don't have mortar, so I'm going to be making use of my small. Actually, I have small mortar, but it's very small. I don't know if it would be wise for me to use it, or I should just do it inside here and call it a day. Then put it on the floor. Leave here, there's hot water here. Leave here, what did I say?
There's hot water here. I mean, it's too hot.
Very hot.
Wow. Hot water. Now it's the money. Oh, mommy, I can't see.
Guys, this is what it's looking like. So the essence of pounding is not to break the nuts inside, it's just to make it so that we can extract the juice, which is the foundation for making oil. Guys, good morning. So this is day 2 of my exams. This is Sunday and we have 2 papers today, so good morning, sir. Guys, I'm done. One more paper to go since morning. This is to 7. Adult education, all of this. I will chat to you guys later. Thank you, Jesus.